did Point Mallard earlier today. And then we stopped at Dreamland Barbecue in Huntsville. Look at those. Those are Dreamland barbecue ribs. Those look amazing. We're in this whole line with no tickets. Thanks. So you got us tickets? How much were they? $75. $75?
Everything's same price. No discount for kids.
All right. Look at me. Say cheese. Hey Mia, get on this side. On this side. Mommy, get in. Where's Dad? Dad! All right, come on, girls. Mia.
I'm gonna be in front.
There you go.
They have bouncy houses.
Oh, they got a jump zone too.
Okay.
Oh, this place is nice.
I like it. Is it something for kids? Is it something for kids?
Yep, it is. Oh, look, we can get to the dugouts. We can play golf in the dugouts. Cool. Yeah?
Yeah. The bouncy when you go up and down, and then it stops.
And I started walking with her, and she's like, "I want to go to that store because I want to see the dresses."
And then I took her to
Look at the
Hollister.
dresses, and I'm like, what?
I took her to some store and
I
she
bought her a
started
dress.
picking out her own clothes. She picked out her own shoes. And I just paid for it. But like she picked out
Everything.
Are those
Yeah,
the,
she even picked out shoes.
yeah,
So you're gonna
she
get me
picked out-
shoes too.
She got some great shoes.
yet. I need shoes to match.
Yep.
Yeah.
She's something else.
All right, here we are. Girls are out. There's Dad and Zooey. All right, so we're gonna go do that, I guess. They got spinning cups? Dang, they had a whole little festival going on over there. They really did a good job. This is 4th of July at Toyota Park in Huntsville, Alabama. Oh, it looks like they got a...
All right, we've got the best of the best when it comes to hula hooping here at Toyota Field. You guys have won your individual heats. Now you'll be going against each other to see who will be the final hula hooper left. All right, once your hoop hits the ground, leave it on the ground. We got to see who the last one left is. All right, are you guys ready? Get your hoops in starting position. We'll get going with the championship here in 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. Waiting in line.
We don't know what the line is. We don't know if it's this one or that one for this or that.
Oh, let me ask them.
Yeah.
Look at... It's pretty cool. I like it. I dig it. Would you want to come here to see a baseball game? Yes?
Wow.
How many times you want to come?
Never. Never. I said no.
4th of July here at Toyota Field in Huntsville, Alabama. And it's looking like it's going to be quite a great time. I mean, we've had a ball so far, and now we're just waiting on the fireworks. This is 2021, 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. Yeah, there is. What'd you get, Mia?
It's really good. Want to try it?
What is it?
Try it. It's lemonade.
It seems really sugary.
It tastes super good.
Alright, let me try it. I did a whole sip of root. Wow, that's so good. Hey, girls. Cheers.
Cheers.
Lorelai, where's my cheers? There you go.
This is what I'm gonna put hers.
There you go.
Where am I gonna
Hey guys, say cheese. I got all of you together. Big smile. Dad, look it. No, Lorelai, look. Awesome. Fireworks should be starting up short. Okay, so we're about to start. So let's get the party started. Ready for the fireworks? You ready, Grandpa?
Yeah.
All right, it's 9 o'clock, baby. These fireworks are about to kick off.
Briefly, but we're accepting trash bins. Check us out right now at trashpansbaseball.com. But enough for that, because we came here to see stuff all over the sky, didn't we?
Yeah! Yeah!
I have no idea what you said. I have no idea.
Well, that time is now here. If everyone will point their attention to the video board, we'll count this thing down. Start. 8, 7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Woo!
This is awesome.
Isn't it?
Are you looking? Oh, I see what's going on.
Ooh, they're red.
All of those are becoming bigger and bigger.
Yep.
Let's get out of the way. Oh, heart. Did you see that?
Yeah, I saw it.
be like that thing where they're like, psych. Wow, it's gonna be a cloudy night.
Yep, it's gonna be a cloudy night. That was pretty good, guys, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, big smile, big smile. Well, I got you all here. Smile, Dad. Lorelai, you're in Mommy's way. There you go. There you go. All right, one with me in it. Awesome. That was the fireworks in Huntsville, Alabama. Great show. Thank you, Dad. Say thank you to Grandpa. Thanks, Dad. All right, that's it. We are leaving. So that was 4th of July at Toyota Field. Hope you guys like it. And if you like content like this, please like and subscribe. Thanks.